Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Zoom app keeps crashing, then watch this video for the solutions. The first thing to check is the Zoom server status. So for that we need to open the browser and search for Zoom server status. We'll open this link, Zoom cloud service status, and we will check for this status.zoom.us, and we will check if the server is operational. So everything is operational, there's nothing down except Zoom Phone, which is under maintenance in the North American region. So that shouldn't be the problem if we live in any other region. Now the second thing to do is to update the Zoom app. So we will open Zoom and we will click on our photo or the initial icon, and we will click on check for updates. Now this is updated. The next thing we need to do is to disable the hardware acceleration. So we will look for the photo or the initial button, and we will click on settings, go to video, okay, and then we will click on advanced, and under the use hardware acceleration we'll uncheck all these boxes, and we will close the button, and it should now not crash again. But if it does crash after all these steps, then we need to uninstall and install the app again. So we will go to Zoom workplace and we will just click on uninstall. Once it is uninstalled, we will go to Microsoft Store and we will check for Zoom. We'll click on Zoom and we will click on the get button. It should install automatically. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.